Mia, do you realize what milestone we are standing on today?
Oh, Mia, I certainly do. Today is episode 10, the grand finale and graduation episode of Level 1 on the English Ladder.
Think back to where our listeners started in episode 1 with simple greetings and self introductions. Today, they can talk about hobbies, routines, daily schedules, career duties, shopping, prices, directions, and public transit.
That is an incredible amount of progress. To celebrate this achievement, today's episode is entirely dedicated to the Level 1 graduation review and final quiz.
We are going to review the core grammar rules, natural expressions, and vocabulary from all 9 previous episodes, followed by an interactive challenge to test your English skills before we move into Level 2.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 10 of the English Ladder, here on English Loom. I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. Let's start our final Level 1 step together.
Before we start our grand review, a huge shout out to everyone who completed the Episode 9 homework on travel and directions. Your practice sentences about turning left, going straight, and taking the train were wonderful.
Seeing your steady progress in the comments every single week makes us so proud. Keep up that dedication.
If you are joining us for the first time, hit that subscribe button so you can finish Level 1 with us today and jump straight into Level 2 next week. Now, let's dive into Part 1 of our review.
Let's begin our recap with episodes 1 through 3, where we built the foundation of daily communication.
In Episode 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves and ask polite questions. Remember the difference between asking, "What do you do?" versus "How do you do?"
Right. What do you do asks about someone's job, while how do you do is a formal greeting meaning nice to meet you.
In Episode 2, we covered ordering at coffee shops and food places. What was our golden rule for polite ordering, Mia?
Never say, I want. Always use, I would like, or could I please get, or I'll have, to keep your ordering polite and natural.
In Episode 3, we mastered family relationships and describing people. We learned the difference between look like and like.
Exactly. What does he look like asks about physical appearance, height, hair color, eyes, while what is he like asks about personality, kind, funny, hardworking.
Now, let's jump to Episodes 4 and 5, where we talked about home environments, hobbies, and weekend plans.
In episode 4, we explored rooms in a house and prepositions of place, like on, in, under, behind, and next to.
And in Episode 5, we tackled one of our most popular grammar topics, play versus go versus do for hobbies and sports.
Let's quickly test that rule. Play for team sports, competitive games, and instruments. Play football, play chess, play piano. Go for activities that end in ing. Go swimming, go hiking, go shopping. Do for martial arts, individual exercises, and indoor activities. Do yoga, do karate, do crosswords.
That rule alone helped hundreds of our listeners stop making common mistakes.
Now, let's look at episode 6, where we mastered daily routines, frequency adverbs, and time management.
Remember the fundamental difference between wake up and get up. Wake up means opening your eyes and stopping sleep, while get up means physically leaving your bed.
And what about our word order rules for frequency adverbs like always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never?
Rule 1. Frequency adverbs go before main action verbs. I always eat breakfast. Rule 2. Frequency adverbs go after the verb to be. He is usually late.
Now, let's complete our review with episodes 7, 8, and 9 before we start our final quiz.
In Episode 7, we focused on jobs, careers, and workplaces. We mastered the prepositions for work. Work for plus company or person. I work for Apple. Work in plus industry, department, or city. I work in marketing. I work in London. Work at plus specific location. I work at the hospital.
In episode 8, we went shopping. We learned the difference between how an item fits versus how it suits you.
It fits refers to physical size. It's not too small or too tight. It suits you means the style or color looks fantastic on you.
And we also learned payment prepositions. You pay by card, but you pay in cash.
Finally, in episode 9, we navigated cities in public transit. We learned that you get on a bus, train, or plane, but you get in a car or taxi.
Now that our comprehensive recap is complete, it is time for the Level 1 Graduation Challenge quiz.
Here's how the quiz works. Mia and I will ask you 5 challenge questions based on everything we learned in Level 1. We'll give you a sentence with a mistake or a blank space, pause for a moment so you can think, and then reveal the answer.
Try to answer out loud before we reveal the answer. Are you ready? Let's start.
Question 1. Hobbies and sports. Fix the mistake in this sentence. I go yoga every Tuesday morning.
Let's think. Yoga is an individual exercise without an ing ending.
The correct sentence is, I do yoga every Tuesday morning. Remember, do yoga, go swimming.
Question 2. Frequency adverbs. Put the word always in the correct position in this sentence. She is late for our meetings.
Remember our rule for the verb to be.
The correct sentence is, she is always late for our meetings. The adverb goes after the verb is.
Question 3. Workplace prepositions. Choose the correct preposition. He has been working in, for, at Microsoft for 5 years.
Microsoft is a company name.
The correct answer is, he has been working for Microsoft for 5 years.
Question 4. Shopping and payments. Fix the mistake in this sentence. I would like to pay by cash, please.
Think about payment prepositions.
The correct sentence is, I would like to pay in cash, please. Pay by card, pay in cash.
Question 5. Public transit. Choose the correct phrase. Hurry up, get on the bus before it leaves.
A bus is large public transit where you can stand up.
The correct answer is, get on the bus before it leaves.
How did you do on the quiz? If you got 4 or 5 correct, you are 100% ready for Level 2. If you got 2 or 3, review the earlier episodes to strengthen your foundation.
Time for our ultimate word tour recap of Level 1's top power phrases.
Phrase 1. What do you do for a living? The most natural way to ask about someone's career.
Phrase 2. I'd like to. The standard polite structure for ordering or requesting.
Phrase 3. How long does it take? The essential phrase for asking about travel duration.
Phrase 4. Head out. A natural phrasal verb meaning to leave home or a location.
Phrase 5. It suits you. A warm compliment meaning something looks great on someone.
Phrase 6. Split the bill. Sharing the cost of a meal with friends.
And now it's time for your Level 1 graduation homework assignment.
In the YouTube comments section below, write a short graduation paragraph using at least 3 things you learned in Level 1.
Introduce yourself and state your job or studies using I work in or I am a. Mention one of your hobbies using play, go, or do. Describe your routine using a frequency adverb, always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never.
For example, hi, I'm a graphic designer and I work in media. In my free time, I do yoga and go swimming. I always listen to English Loom while cooking dinner.
Write your graduation paragraph in the comments below. Mia and I will read every single comment, reply with feedback, and award you your virtual Level 1 completion badge.
Congratulations to every single one of you who completed all 10 episodes of Level 1. You have taken a massive step towards real-world English confidence.
Starting in episode 11, we kick off Level 2, where we'll dive into past tense storytelling, expressing complex opinions, business phone calls, and intermediate conversation skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this graduation episode with a friend who wants to learn English.
Keep climbing, stay dedicated, and we'll see you in Level 2.
Bye, everyone.
See you in Level 2.